After doing word problem number 1, we will move toward word problem number 2. That is Rashid is 1 meter 56 centimeter tall. Okay. The height of Rashid is 1 meter 56 centimeter. Tariq is 170 centimeter tall. Who is taller by how much? We have to find out who is taller. Here it is in centimeter, but it is meter and centimeter. So first we have to convert it. Okay. Let's write the one that we have. We do not have to convert it. So we will start our solution from this. We will write in the solution Tariq's height. Tariq apostrophe S. Tariq's height. HEIGHT height equals to 170 centimeters. Okay boys. Now whose height? Rashid. RASHID. Rashid apostrophe S. Rashid's height. HEIGHT. Rashid's height is 1 meter and 56 centimeters. So what we have to do, we have to convert this meter into centimeter, and we know 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 100, it will be plus 56. This all will be in centimeters now. So 100s are 100. 100 plus 56 is 156. Okay boys? 156 centimeters. Now you can see the height of Tariq and the height of Rashid. By seeing, you can tell who is taller. It means Tariq is taller. So what we have to do, now we have to tell how much taller. So for how much, you all know we have done when we were doing the word problems, we have written the words. So now you have to use your memory. You have to quickly use your memory, because math is about quick response. When I ask you 2 3s are in dodging table, you always give me the answer quickly. 2 3s are 6. So like this, when I will ask how much, you will tell me which operator. How much means how much taller. Tell me the quantity. So how much means we have to subtract it. So for this we will do, first we will write Tariq is taller, because we can see TARIQ. Tariq is TALLER, taller. Now how much? How much taller? What we will do? 170 centimeters minus 156 centimeters. So when we subtract 6 from 0, we cannot subtract. So we will borrow. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. It is 14 centimeters. Okay. It is 14 centimeters. So easy is this maths. So what we have to write? We have to give our answer in a statement form. We will write Tariq is 14 centimeters taller than. Then is used for comparison. THAN. It is used for comparison. Then Rashid. Because Rashid is a name, so we will write R capital. Our today's classwork is, boys, we have done activity and we have done question number 8 part ABC. We have done word problem number 1 and 2, and these all work we have done on our copy. In homework, I am giving you question number 8 full, page number 115 on copy. I want you to do the practice of question number 8 again and again. So when any sum comes in your test or in any exam, or teacher or someone will ask, you can give a quick response. Okay. So boys, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comments below. Take care of yourself.